Hello everyone, today 23rd of May, I have an issue. I feel like I'm burning out because there are lots of things to do. I would like to achieve lots of things. I would like to create content. I see that I have lots of things, but it's not organized. No, I thought that since I'm building a brand OC system, this is maybe the main problem why solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, or people who want to achieve something in their life are struggling about their achievements, their plans. They know what to do, they know how they can do, but maybe they're overwhelmed, like me. Then I decided to build a model. I don't know what will I have at the end, but maybe I will have a working system which can help me. That I will try something, I will make storming. Then let's see if I will have an achievement or if I can build a general system or make a deep search. I will share with you. This is the starting point. I will make a screen recording and let's see if I can achieve something. And you will see also, because my girlfriend always telling me that you are telling some tools, but you don't tell people, but how you use the things. Now you're starting screen recording, the entire screen. You will see what I'm doing. I will start from ground zero. This is my OpenAI. This is my first main AI from the file of ChatGPT because I have lots of custom GPT. I will go GPTs and my GPT. I want to have a system. That system should be my personal assistant to manage my life. I'm struggling with organization. Your task is to generate a prompt to make a deep search about all working systems to manage the life. Now I posted it. My prompt agent got the prompt, I pasted it, and here I will click deep search. I activated deep research. Let's see how long it will take. In the meanwhile, I ask easily this to dispatch. This is what I say after scanning everything you already have the engine. What is missing? The ignition, your content storage brand, or skills I brand. There is none of it. It started the same reason most systems that I didn't know. Brand identity. Every morning, 5 minutes, empty your head into the box. Every Sunday, process it. Organize for life in nurturing your key projects, active time, bound areas of the resources, your audience, everything. This approach is good. I would tell the same thing if someone will ask. Personally, I don't believe that I'm bad. But right now, I lost my old systems because I had a working system. I was using some sheets. I was treating my life and everything as a project. And I'm able to run several projects at the same time if I write and plan. If I know where I'm going, generally I'm good at planning those things. But let's see if I can build a Notion database or sheets to manage everything, like one place to manage everything, track everything, record everything. If I can, I don't know. I don't know what will I achieve at the end, but let's see. What Gemini says, it's normal to feel like you have all individual pieces, especially since you are already strong in person branding and content strategy, but the engine just will not start. The missing point you're feeling is usually friction. When a system is too complex or lacks a clear flow from idea to execution, it becomes a core rather than an assistant. As an AI, Gemini, that is Claude, ChatGPT, and Notion, I can tell you that a system cannot completely run itself without human input. But it can evolve and get smarter if you build the right feedback loops. You to create ultimate personal. My prompt is different here. I crafted myself. I need ultimate personal assistant. For the core personal branding and content strategy, I do believe that I'm strong. But I do believe that there are missing points and the system did not start. Also, I need to organize my life realistically and manage things. I would like to Cloud and ChatGPT as my second brain for everything to manage. By the way, why two systems? I like, maybe three even, I like when the LLMs are criticizing each other. Because They are all giving me more insider if I'm not able to manage things. Then I need three of them needs to communicate somehow about the outputs. I combine, then I craft it, and generally I find a good system. Yeah, it costs, but I know. The things which it create at the end is cheaper, trust me. If you combine about what you can achieve, LLM costs are less. The technology is going very fast. I would like Cloud ChatGPT as my second brain. I can engage those with Notion. Your task is to find combining all existing working documents. Right now we have a base, good base. My intention was to record how I'm doing and I'm managing things with AI. Right now you can see that I will start screen recording that I generated a big prompt from prompt engineering and I created many answers. I was very happy that I'm able to show you. Those three systems are small insights and the fourth useful tool for me, NotebookLM. I think Google's most useful tool for me is NotebookLM. I highly recommend if you didn't try, please try it, especially for when you want to do something based on several sources. This is very good. Now I copied everything. In the screen you can see. Now I can focus on one thing. The provided text outline strategic framework designed to transform dormant. Okay. Now let's create a process like and for each step which LLM and tool could help me to manage my life. Let's see how will it respond. By the way, I hope I'm recording the screen. Yes, I'm waiting. Here's the immediately get every idea task. Yes, Apple reminders. Organize the architecture, project areas, resources, archives. For me, the most limited thing, resources right now at the time. The money is in the second stage because right now the things what I'm doing doesn't require so much investment, at least this initial phase. Let's go Google Chrome again. The goal and Notion, ultimate hub for paranotes, files, projects, and for me, the thing is very clear that I need a dashboard. It could be Notion sheets. Why I need a dashboard? As a process owner, I would like to see all the steps, what's going on. I can save everything in a file or in a system somewhere I can store and it can pop up, but I would like to see what's happening and where I'm going visually. That is the reason I need a sheets page, which will be complicated to build, or I can create a Notion template. At the end, I will have a Notion system. My cloud can access my Notion and my ChatGPT can access my Notion as well. I have a system that my Notion is the main place, main storage, where I save the data. And in ChatGPT, cloud will have an access about those things. Let's see how it works. I'm using this because right now I don't know, I don't have a strict thing in my mind, but let's see. It is creating something. The thing in my mind is having a notion to store everything. ChatGPT and Cloud is going to have access to it whenever I create a task. They can update and whenever update the Notion, they can read and do actions. Please help me to structure of the Notion. I believe systematic thinking for me, the life has complex system. If you divide complex system to subsystems, then parameter, subparameter, if you manage things and measure things in a time, that quality increases. You can see this approach in my resume agent as well. In resume agent, processing a resume is just crafting your CV for specific job application. No, it's not. First, it understands the company, then the job description, related keywords, which keywords you can use for better ATS friendly resume, And after it, it divides the user thing into parameters, then it combines and creates something which will make you more callable, more interview, more visible. This is all my system. That is the reason I'm using in Naranjaya, that from knowledge to know. You already have things, but you are not visible. I do feel like that now in the internet, when I'm creating content, I'm creating things for myself, and I hope my future followers and current followers will use and get the benefit of it. Because my intention of creating Naranjaya is the prosperity for everyone, not only for myself, for the people who are following and who are reaching and touching my contents should access I'm reaching as well also. Let's continue to my tool. I want to introduce also for new followers. For example, when I'm recording videos recently, that I don't have any template. In the comments, you can advise me like how would like to see, if, or I can put a prompter and I can read the text also, but build it. I'm really connecting with you. I'm really talking with you. I would like to go in that way. Anyway, let's see what the Notion tells us. Oh, again, global inbox, capture zone. The purpose, this is para architecture, the storage engine. Once items leave your inbox, they need a permanent home. Your Notion workspace should be divided into 4 main sections: projects, areas, resources, archives. The weekly HQ, today view, the execution layer. The most common reason systems fail is that user build massive databases but lack a ground level daily dashboard. The purpose, create one weekly HQ page that filters your Notion databases to show only today's top 3 priorities: your active inbox, how AI interacts, how to connect Claude with ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. Go to prompt agent. This is my prompt agent. You can access it naranjay.com. You can use the same GPT tool to generate this Notion template. Please create the prompt for that specific agent. I don't know how will it understand. You're a senior Notion systems architect or live operating system designer. My approach and my prompt tools approach is always complementing. I think ChatGPT is helping me to grow my communication with people as well. Look, this is good, but I want to do something else. A system approach. I will use this software architect. I need to have an architect here. Divide this system to the subsystems and all subparameters, and then craft the Notion template. I want something ready to shipped product. Maybe one day I can explain you some simple projects like how I use things, or how, if I need the second one, maybe I will record it. Like how I can be more useful, how I can create more useful content for you. I will turn the pasted system into productized Notion template blueprint, not just advice, system map, database schemas, relations, dashboard layout, AI workflows, and the downloadable ship-ready package with copy pastings. Okay, my QuickTime player, new screen recording. Still thinking. Create something. Done. I divided live OCs into subsystems. MD, manifest JSON, system map, Notion database blueprint, CVS import, system division, capture systems. Core databases included. The template blueprint includes global inbox, tasks, projects, areas, resources. Product ready angle. This is not only personal workspace. Oh, early version. Guys, it wants to charge you. Your task is to generate all the files. Please generate them. Let's see what we are going to have. If more people will be interested, I will create more videos like this. Those are long video forms, and if the video is shorter, people are more interested. When the time goes longer, I think people get bored. I will generate a full product folder now. Markdown guide files, CSV, import databases, product page copy, and a zip package you can upload and share. It is ready to share. Let's see. It's very fast. It is done. The timing was awesome. Okay, what do we have? Download, Naranzai, Live OC Notion template pack, full zip. Now I'm switched to myself in a smaller screen. Let's go to downloads and let's find the file we generated today. Today we have two zips. My ChatGPT. Let's download the file again. Full zip one. Yes. This is we are looking for. Template. Okay. It says that start here. Let's start. Version one's for yes, no other from what the non is a clean notion, personal assistant, tasks, projects, GT capture clarity, load up. Important principle. AI is a co-pilot, not an autopilot. Open docs, build instructions. Let's open it. Create a new portion from Live OCHQ. Okay, guys, normally I'm using Notion, new workspace for personal life. I'm creating, getting started to-do list, weekly to-do lists. Oh, no, this is not what I'm looking. Ah, okay, this is what I'm looking. Okay, this is the new one. We can close the other one. Okay, I open a new Notion workspace. If you're actively using Notion, okay, here, create live OC HQ. And this subtitle, capture everything, clarify daily, but keep control. Text capture today's top. Keep the page clean, create the core databases, create full database. I don't want to create one by one all Notion things. I want my system could be able to generate it for me. It's not a rocket science at the end, I hope. And I agree. I think I will find another way to do it because there is a long way to do it and I didn't like this. I will continue this. Now I'm stop recording. When I will find a solution, I will share that solution. Right now, what happened? Let me explain you where we are. First of all, ChatGPT created, according to our prompt, a system like a Notion template to organize my everything. I tried to copy paste at the beginning, but I realized that this is not the right approach. Then I requested from ChatGPT. First, it gave me some templates. I tried to set up everything manually, but it didn't work. It was so busy. Then I requested from it to do it instead of me. Right now, I have very good and system, you can say. Live OC. It created on its own, like the ChatGPT did it instead of me. The project guy's Notion dashboard, I ask it the things which I already did, the older projects, update them because in 23, I decided 3 years ago, I decided to use Notion as a second brain. I updated the things with the help of AI. It was very satisfying. It created everything instead of me because I gave a app request because I'm using macOS. From the application tab, you can reach and create the content. It did it instead of me. My second task, inform about what we did to cloud, create a skill and upload it to the cloud. Then I can manage this Notion template myself manually, ChatGPT or cloud to manage the things. I hope it will work. We will see projects. I have those things actively building and developing. Generate instructions for cloud as well that it will help me for Notion updated. Okay, let's see how it will generate. Let's see. Let's go to so okay, it's set it. Let's check things and inform is if I have a task to complete today. Today is May. Let's see how it will do. Screen recording. Oh, what I don't like about cloud is that generally when oh, create public template link. Hello. I'm not sure I will create a public link for publish product page copy. No, for Sunday weekly. Okay. I completed this task for today. I will edit and soon share with you. Guys, my intention was to show you how I use AI because a few of my friends asked that like how I manage the things with AI. That's the reason I made a live demo. And generally, my friends, my girlfriend, like everyone around me, that they're generally pushing me to show how do I use, how do I create things, how do I manage things. As you see, my system is based on good prompting. You can reach Naranzai prompt agent. When I will use AI as an assistant for any task, I'm using this project files and I'm giving detailed instructions to them. Generally, first I craft the things, then I'm using dedicated things for the cloud, for ChatGPT. I think this is the system of AI that you need to divide things to the tasks and you need to define each task very clearly. If you do this, your output quality increases. And right now, I will use this system to manage my. If I will update, sure, it will update after I use it. When it became more mature, maybe I will share everything. But right now, I don't see any reason to share anything. You can use this prompt agent, and then you can reach everything. You can have a simple system for yourself. Please tell your experience, how your output was. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments and you can reach me. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon. Take care.